Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Buck and I like to go on camping adventures. Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're in South Alabama, heading north back from the Tiny Camper Company event, and as you can tell, we're running out of daylight. The hope was to get to where I'm camping tonight before dark and to set up and start cooking some salmon and rice for dinner tonight. Now I'm still going to be cooking salmon and rice for dinner, but I'm not going to be getting there before dark. Let's see if the pig has some salmon. So they only have frozen salmon. I think if I leave it out, it'll have enough time to thaw out by the time I need to eat. Are you out here barking at that dog? I'm never super excited about these little frozen packets of salmon, but we're gonna see how good it is. It was very affordable. I think it came in a pack of 5 for like $8.50, and then I got the 2 packs of rice for what, I'll have to go back and look at the what the sale price was. Too many bugs coming in. Alright, I'm going to keep this simple. I'm going to throw some butter in the pan. Let's open up this window. Where are my seasonings? I left my seasonings in the back. That's not good. Just let me know when you want to come in. Might throw some of this ramen seasoning on there just to see. Oh no. Okay. And I didn't bring a spatula or anything, so I'm cooking this all with a spork. Spork with a dog hair on it. I'm going to go with the long grain and wild rice with herbs and seasonings. Once I cook that, then I'm just going to put all of it in together and mix it up. Should be good. Jump! Come on, jump! Good boy. Good boy. Now, if you wanted to get fancy, you could throw some spring onion or chives on top of that. And it really probably needs lemon, no matter what. I should have gotten a lemon. Does that smell good to you? Okay, that's good. Actually, much better than I thought it was going to be. Since we don't have anybody around us anymore, you know, night before last, I stayed in the Bass Pro Shops parking lot, and then last night I was surrounded by a bunch of other people at that event, so it's nice to actually have some peace and quiet and some seclusion for a change. Now I think this really helped the salmon. Umami Ramen, Simply Asia. Pick it up from Walmart. Threw some of that on there. It's really good. Add a little bit more salt. It's getting hot in here thanks to this stove here. Well, all right, dinner's done. Didn't win $1 million. It's almost 8 o'clock, so it's still kind of early. I think I'm gonna lay back and maybe do some editing on my last video. My last last video. Yeah, my last video still isn't edited right now, so I'm gonna be editing it. So it's a travel day. Hey y'all, welcome back to Well, I got that one pretty much edited. Usually like to take a couple of days and watch it a couple of times, sleep on it, think about it a little bit, see what kind of little tweaks I want to make. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up today. I'm going to bed. We'll see y'all in the morning. What's gotten into you? I guess maybe you want to go on a little walk. Let's go on a walk over there. You want to go on a walk over there? You can run around. You don't have to be on a leash here. You don't have to be on a leash here. Hey, Buck. Is it alright if I make some coffee first? I think you've already had your coffee because you are crazy today. Oh. We got our neighbors coming to join us. Go get them. So we've got Lowe's, Liberty, and Bella, and Buck. Hey Lowe's, hey Lowe's. All right, I guess we'll all go on a walk as a pack, right? And there's Albert. There's old Albert. He made it down here. We got all the dogs this morning. standing back there. Is it? That's one. Hey, Bella. Come here, Bella. You see, that's what he wants to do when we're on a hike, and I have to keep him on a leash. So that's what I'm trying to hold back when I'm hiking with him. What you think about that crazy dog, Lowe's, huh? Hey, Albert. Well, all right, y'all, that's gonna wrap up this video. I really appreciate y'all for watching, following along on these adventures with Buck and I. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will catch y'all on the next one.